Hello, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Today what we got here is the Savage XS Flux. This is one of the small cars you can get from HPI, and it's actually 65 miles an hour little truck. It is very small and it's capable for high speed and high performance. You can actually just press the throttle and this thing just gonna do a backflip. You're gonna have to run it on a 3-cell LiPo battery. With a 2S it will be fast, but it's not gonna do such a high performance and flipping back and everything else. So you want to run it on a 3S. Let's see what we have underneath. They put a nice Ford body on it, but again, those are just plastic bodies you can replace. And this is what we have underneath. So we have a very big motor here, brushless motor, HPI motor, big ESC. It's all protected, it's all waterproof, so you can actually run it in the water without actually worry about it too much. The battery bay is over here. You just move those clips, open it sideways, and you're gonna insert your batteries. Those are coilover adjustable shocks. They're pretty cool. This is still the plastic version, but they work, they do the job. If you want a fast truck out of the box that you can play with everywhere and it's not so big, this is definitely the one to go with. The average price between $350 and $400, depend where you buy them. Always prefer to buy those in a shop because they can give you a much better service when you need some parts. And other than that, it's the new one. It's now available at MotoStyles shop, RC Monster Garage, and we got those little fast trucks on a special. Come see us today.